All right, this should be fun. Little mixed dog, a couple years old, biting, barking, jumping, actually even bit the owner last week. So this will be an interesting case. I'll give you an update soon. Keep your fingers crossed. This is what's happening before I even ring the bell. Let's see what happens once I ring the bell. All right, that's going to be some fun. Oh,
yeah.
Bit me once there. That was nice. All right.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Just sort of glancing blow. Not to worry. We'll get my little guy sorted out. All right, here we are with my little buddy an hour later. The guy that bit me, same dog that bit me. I'm going to ring the doorbell. And let's see what happens this time. Doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo. Real sweet dog. His name's Juventus, named after the Italian football team. Oh, hi, how are you?
Good.
Hi, who's in charge around here?
I think we are.
Where's that dog that wanted to bite me before? I think he's officially retired. Have you given up, buddy? Are you no longer in charge of security around here? Is this the first time you've had people in the house and he hasn't gone nuts and he hasn't barked and wanted to kill them?
Yeah.
Here we go. Welcome to the world of Barkbusters. Good boy.